How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having the most wonderful day. Technology, it's a wonderful thing. Back in the day when our fighter planes and everything, the pilots needed to get out of trouble, you know, their plane got shot up, it's crashing, we invented the ejection seat, right? Such a wonderful piece of technology. Gets the pilot out of harm's way, lets him parachute safely down to the ground. Then the movies got a hold of it. Yes, we've put them in cars. Remember James Bond? You got somebody in your car that doesn't belong, that spy, that person that just wants to run off at the mouth that you just can't stand. Hit the old ejection button, out he goes, out the top. Really cool. And then of course, Fast and the Furious. Great franchise. It's coming to an end though. Number 10 will be the last one, they say. But yep, they took a Yenko and put one in it too. Wow. Can you imagine having an ejection seat in your modern day muscle car? Well, with today's technology, it is possible. Here it is. With what's in this package right here, we will put an ejection seat in one of my cars. So let's get out there and I'll show you how. Here we are at the car. We're about to put the ejection seat in. Man, are you excited? I know I'm excited. Alright, the gig is up. No, you can't put an ejection seat in your car. It would be cool though, wouldn't it? But we can add a little humor to our car, and let me show you what I mean. Now for the better part of this week, I'm going to be driving a different car. I don't know if it's going to be the Tahoe or Old Red, but I'm going to be driving one of them, so I have to take my radar detector out and swap it over to one of those cars. Yes, I have one for each car, but I need suction cups for one of them, so one of the cars won't have one. So what happens? Here we go. When you pull this out, it leaves that hole. Now this being a 1993 model Camaro, I do not have the lighter that used to go in that hole. It's gone. So it just sits there empty like that, and it's an eyesore, and I really don't like the way it looks. So what can we do for that? Well, let me show you. I'm glad you asked. It is actually in this package as I promised. Let me reach down in here. It's a little novelty item, but it's really cool if you stop and think about it. Yeah, nice little package, huh? That big old thing for that. Amazon's always been known for wasting packing, but you know, they don't want a gazillion boxes and packages either for every item, so they use what they have. But what I have is right here. Let me get it out and I'll show you exactly what it is. And there it is. Ejection seat. So let's get it installed. Now what this is, it's just a plug. I mean, you can get this in basically any color. You can get it in any shape. You can get it to basically represent anything. I've seen them that look like switches. I've seen them that look like grenades. I've seen them look like missiles, bullets, you name it. It runs the gambit. And it has different sayings. This one happens to say eject. I thought it'd be cool to put me a little anodized red ejection button in this car. Just for humor, you know. It's just a quick little mod to make the car a little bit more personal and make this look a little better. But it comes with two O-rings, not installed. They simply slip over. There's a recessed groove in there. You just take it and roll it over the edge, and then it'll go in the first one. Take the next one and roll it over, and then it'll go over the first one into the second slip. But all it's made for is to go in this hole right there and stay. Look how cool that looks. I mean, come on, really? That just looks cool. Then whenever I need to use that again, I can just pull that out, put my radar detector back in it, and we're good to go. But for everybody that will ride in that seat, which never happens, I think I might have had 3 people in my lifetime that's ever ridden in a passenger seat outside of my wife and her parents. But it's just a cool little novelty item. I know, it's nothing special, but it's just one of those things that is for conversation. It makes the car more yours. So now you too can add an ejection seat to your car, or fire missiles, or whatever you want it to say. You know, the radioactive key for the nuclear missiles and stuff, they've even got them. Like I said, they've got them that run the gamut of everything. But I just wanted to put this out there and show you. You know, it's pretty cool. It didn't cost that much. I think you can get them anywhere from $7 to $11 on Amazon or eBay. And yeah, I had enough credits where it didn't cost me anything. So until next time, you guys get out and enjoy your car. I'm enjoying mine, just doing this little conversation piece, if you will. And we'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you again. Thanks for watching.